everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Day 21 how to improve a communication skill with English. But I am not properly to upload a English vlog in a YouTube channel, but at the time I am one time to be achieve in my life, and I am busy in a international book festival in Ahmedabad. So I try to my best of the best in a Day 21 I upload this video. So long at the time you are marathon, not a short term you are to enjoy of your life, right? Why? Because the book festival of your life learning procedure for my life.